Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most what you can say, awaited castings for this particular case. And honestly, when Elon Musk introduced this particular car, or sorry, the truck, I was really excited to see this. But when he was showing the demo, the glass literally broke, and he said someone is going to get fired. That made me laugh. But I'm not sure whether this truck is actually that strong. I really want to see that someone actually try to try to throw some other like heavy metal ball or something like that. Either I know about, see, okay, let me just put this aside. So I in the original Cybertruck, I think they made this entire part with just the frame, I guess. So which is actually strong. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, it has a lot of scratches here. You can see it does have some interior detail to it. I'm just really trying to focus on that, but so the windows are tinted, right? So I'm not able to even, yeah, with my bare eyes I can able to see, but I am viewing it through this privacy tempered glass, so it is really hard for me to see via that one. But maybe for you guys it might be a bit good, I guess. So this is from that, I think, rolling metal series, which is really nice. So so end of the day, this truck doesn't have much detail, so I think Matt will pick this up for this particular thing, because they don't need to put so much details, right? And then they can charge as much as possible. Okay. So this part here, everything is metal, and the chassis is plastic. I'm not sure about this part though, because okay, that is also metal. Yeah. So this part here, including this frames here, everything is metal. Only this part is plastic here, and the chassis is plastic. So these rims are now pretty standard for every this mud runner, or any of the big truck series. You can see this particular set of rims. So it is not really that exciting. Okay, let's see. Let's do a roll test. Okay, I'm not sure if it is getting stuck in the track. It has a lot of wheel wobble and it's not even rolling below that. That too without any brake. Okay. So one of the worst castings, I can say. With a lot of wheel wobble without any proper detailing. So you can see, right, it wobbles a lot. Okay, this is most hyped casting on this particular case, and it is not even worth it. So if you really, if you are planning to buy it from any scalper for more than 179, I'm trying to save your money. Don't buy this. It's just waste of your money. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.